Good morning, everyone. I'm getting the non-traditional breakfast this morning. I can't eat eggs and stuff like that on my stomach in the morning. And so I'm eating the next best thing. I'm going to make me a meatloaf sandwich. Nothing better than meatloaf that's been set overnight. Sliced and put on some bread for a sandwich. I'm sure most of you have had that. Nothing goes to waste in this day and age. And my husband can only eat leftovers for so long. So I'm doing the next best thing and having a meatloaf sandwich. You just can't go wrong. And we grew up, nothing goes to waste. Yeah, I should quit. And so, this leftover meatloaf will serve a good purpose. And my stomach will thank me later. I just can't do the biscuits and eggs and all that early in the morning. I can eat it for supper, but I cannot do it for breakfast. I hope you guys have a great day. And remember, during the Depression, people ate whatever they had on hand, whatever they could find, whatever they could get. And just because this says recipes for hard time, it doesn't mean everything's Depression era. I mean, that's a big thing in the group, but that's not the only thing. I can remember in the 90s, things were so high and gas was like $5 a gallon. And buying the frozen corn dogs, frozen fish sticks, that was the cheapest thing out there that you could buy for your kids and your family, sadly. Of course, that's now changed too. All that's very expensive now, but it seems like it does like this, because also I remember I could get bread for $4. Always Safe brand. Can't do that anymore either. You just got to go with the flow, and I wish I had an answer, but I don't. For those that are looking for budget-friendly meals, the only thing I can say is, for me, it's soups. I can make a kettle of cabbage soup, a big kettle. I'm talking a big Dutch oven, cast iron, that thick, good size. I can make a cabbage soup easily for $8, and it lasts me all week, with hamburger that costs $5 a thing for hamburger. But that's with your if you go to Aldi's, you can get your canned goods pretty cheap over there, but it's about between $8 and $10 for a soup that will last me all week for one person. I could live off about $10 a week with cabbage soup with the hamburger. And there's stuff out there, and cabbage soup is healing to the gut. I have stomach issues, so cabbage soup is my friend. And but we will keep researching as a group. What works best for one may not work best for may not work for the other. But just continue to be kind to one another, because I'd like to say it's going to get better, but they always say it's going to get worse before it gets better. So I don't think we've hit our worst yet. I hope not. Just in case, we'll be prepared as a group and support each other. We depend on each other to find ways to feed our family and etc. So I thank you for being here. I'm going to warm up my meatloaf sandwich in the microwave, and it will be yummy. And I will talk to you guys later. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.